Welcome back to New York. I've completed my road trip, albeit a little bit injured. I'm now back at Classic Car Club Manhattan. If you've never seen this place, super cool people, great place to do some work and editing in, and really cool cars that you can take out. So there's like a 458, a 720S, and an Evo. I'm way more excited about the Evo. These two videos weren't really intended to be two videos in the beginning, but so much absurdity happened that it kind of made more sense in editing to split them up. So I hope you enjoyed part 2 of my review of the 1970 Mercedes WingaDinga, which if that sounds as ridiculous as it sounds, then I recommend you watch part 1 because it'll explain everything. Without further ado, here is my near-death experience in Brad's WingaDinga. Which could be a very different statement if I said my near-death experience on Brad's WingaDinga. Oh God, all right, I'm gonna go now, roll intro. Let's go.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Hyper smooth. You know? Okay.
No, it's gonna take a while. I always say it. Nobody ever listens. Are you ready to experience the slowest fast you've ever seen?
Yeah.
What I'm trying to tell you is, you're gonna feel like you're going 100.
You're gonna be going.
You're going 30.
Yeah.
Okay? It's gonna be incredible.
All right.
Even here, even the speedometer. Come here.
Speedometer feels like it's going 100.
It does. You know why? Because the main numbers are kilometers, and the miles are down there. That works. Just, yep.
All right, we're good.
You gonna leave your leg out?
Yeah.
Are you gonna leave your leg?
No.
Okay.
I just gotta figure out a little bit of a... Oh, nice. There's like a metal bar for my knee to hit when we crash.
Because you know I'm gonna drive it like a maniac.
Who needs your tip pip? That's gonna be fine. Oh God.
Don't forget to don your seatbelt.
Oh yes. Yeah. Where? Please God. So we're going to now pilot the WingaDinga to go get some sunglasses for me.
I'm trying!
We're getting there, man! It takes a second! Rolling back into our own smoke. This is so good!
Okay, we're good.
Okay. God, it smells like a 2-stroke boat motor. I miss that so much. Oh my God. Oh, we're gonna die. I feel like the child right now.
I love starting on a hill because I can't hit the same time.
That kid sensed a disturbance in the force. Oh God. What could possibly go wrong? Ah! This is fine. I'm fine. I am.
Do you have anything to hold on to that's solid?
No, except for the metal bar next to my knee. Oh. Well, I don't want to die today, so you take your time.
Alright, this is it. No!
God damn it! Oh. 45!
More like 70.
Yeah, it sure feels like it.
Don't mind the vibrations, okay? I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna let it ride.
It's nice. This fucking contraption. Oh my God. Oh, good. Okay, I understand the rolling downhill thing now. Fuck.
I could move it into neutral and put my clutch foot on the brake.
My hair has never tangled this much in my life.
I can't do that.
Oh.
I'm flexing.
It is a Mustang, so this is its natural habitat.
Oh yeah, on the curb.
Yeah, mounting the curb. Actually, this is just like a Mustang.
It is. 4 on the floor, everything.
This is about as fast as one too. Oh God. We're almost at the speed limit, guys. That's 57.
What's the speed limit here?
What's that not? I don't know.
Is this fast enough?
Probably. I don't think I've had this much in it. Oh fuck, I have to right back in this. Oh no.
45.
per hour now. Okay, yeah, sick.
Look at these windshields.
Why? Why in the world would you even bother? Well, that was. All right. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try to drift this. How do I do it?
Oh, fuck's sake.
Yeah, I probably caused more pollution than all the airplanes on the sky. But it was fun.
Made it.
Yeah, you
Made
still
it.
have another trip to go, so I wouldn't count your blessings just yet. You just sit there and you fix your hair. We're gonna go in and do the thing.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello.
I'll meet you in a sec. Hi.
Chandler, I've got your new daily, dude.
Dude,
Dude,
I got
new
your
daily.
Dude, new daily right here.
Fuck, dude. This is.
Yeah, bud, go get your new
I don't
daily.
even have that much. Ow. Ow.
You can hold on to it and use it to get.
The only 4-cylinder Mustang.
Yeah.
No, it's 2. Where's the other Mustang?
I did it. How you been, man? Pretty good. Pretty good. Cool.
So this is plane school.
Nice.
We're learning about planes.
Look at plane school.
I used to work on
That's my
airplanes.
plane crash.
Oh yeah, Brad used to work on airplanes.
That's the plane house. That's where all the planes live in.
You call it the plane house and not the hangar?
Yeah, it's actually called. Hangar is kind of like a slang for it.
What?
Huh?
Exactly.
I actually
That was.
put my girlfriend in here.
Oh my gosh.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It might
Wouldn't it
be
be
high
air
C.
cool?
I'm not gonna lie.
Maybe what?
I think this is mission
Are you
accomplished.
guys trying to?
Okay, the federal government says I have to go.
It's been nice knowing you. I don't think I'm coming back from this trip back. But
Fuck you.
Yeah.
better.
That's gonna be the last thing.
You need to come back so we can do a podcast. Yo, let's do a podcast.
Yeah.
I feel like we'd be great.
You ready to book
The
it back?
question is, are you ready?
Never, but that has also never stopped me in the past.
I have acclimated. That's all I'm gonna say. So if I could borrow one of those sunglasses.
Oh god. I don't know what just happened. Is it a door?
Yes?
That's a fucking door!
Are you kidding me?
God damn it. Really? Really this whole time? Well, it didn't really help a lot, but it would have been nice.
Oh, you've never done a door on a 1929 Mercedes Gazelle before, ever?
Oddly, yes. No. Let me actually do the hoodie thing because I want to rip all my hair out if I don't.
Here, I'll make it to where she won't know my identity if they do take a picture. The car won't give it away.
I think this is a quality job, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. How much does the fiberglass body weigh, by the way?
Nothing.
Well, I would imagine it weighs something.
I can lift it. So
All right, so nothing.
Less than 30 pounds?
That's the threshold of what you can lift. Yeah, I mean,
No, I mean like, it's really easy to pick up. I'm not lying.
no, it's just like, I mean, I can lift it, so that means it has to be less than 30 pounds. The whole time we were just driving, the beep thing was on. Oh, dear God.
Imagine the crumple zones on fiberglass.
I don't want to hear about crumple zones right now. You are the crumple. That's what I'm looking at there. So I don't want to hear about a goddamn crumple zone. Oh, that's just lugging.
Really?
That's just low speed pre-ignitions. What that there is doing. God, every time I hear tires passing us, I shit myself a little bit.
What, you've never been in a car so open to everything?
I've been in a car that's like, you know, a convertible or something, but it was like, you know, a car.
Here we go. Or I just stall out right here, get T-bone. Is that what I should do?
Do I look amused?
Yes.
Do I look amused? Hello?
And that is where I recruited for the military.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
And now I'm an ultra successful guy who drives around an old
Mercedes,
Yes.
which you can buy for the low price of $20,000. Oh, all right, I'm alive. I'm taking that as a victory. Hello, sir. It's so trippy seeing camo again. Oh, I see. That's got a little ramp for you. Yeah, that's about right. Wait, does that impact the foot? Nice.
Yes.
I appreciated that ride. That was a lot of fun. That was good. All right, doors.
Oh my. I know somebody's gonna be mad about that.
Okay. Well, that was a swell time, sir. I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, I guess this is gonna be a great standalone video. This might even be edited in like a matter of a couple days.
Couple months, couple years.
It's like he's known me since we were both children riding bikes in front of McDonald's.
Okay, you just said a couple days. Were you being serious?
Okay, like, yeah. No,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Honestly, because this...
And he's being serious. So expect to see this around January, February, all right?
Christ. I'm bad at outros, okay? Bye. I hope you enjoyed part 2 from it to the end. Thank you, because there's not a whole lot of story in this. We're just sort of me screaming for dear life. I did another collaboration with VinWiki. I was very sleep deprived and quite road trip lagged, so fingers crossed that it actually was usable. And if it was, I guess you'll see it. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed your time here. And do good things, don't do bad things. I'm bad at outros. That's good. What is that this? Is it? No, I should, why did I just asked if it was, wow.